Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody. Today we're going to do pasta with white sauce. Now this is pasta, it's creamy white sauce, and this creamy white sauce actually zucchini basil creamy white sauce pasta, and this turned out really good. So here's the recipe. First we have to boil the pasta and drain it. So I have it here, drained pasta. Then I got about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. That's what I'm going to cook. So I have coconut milk, and you can take either tomato paste or tomato sauce, or you can just take regular tomato. And I have 2 big zucchini, so then I have to cut this zucchini into slices like this, and then I'm going to heat up my oil and then add the zucchini to the oil and cook it thoroughly, and make sure zucchinis are soft once you cook it. And to that I'm going to add some spices and garlic and tomato sauce, or regular tomato. So it's up to you. So you need to add the zucchini, and this cooking will take about 10 minutes. So the zucchini needs to be thoroughly cooked, and leave the flame on because that really adds to the flavor and the fiber. So the spices are garlic and salt, like chili pepper, and basil, and 2 reference portions of this. So have to cook things, one for cooking, one for garnishing, and one for. So I'm going to add everything except the half a teaspoon basil, which is going to be for garnishing. So first we're going to cook this one with just garlic. So this is the coconut milk in one whole can, and this is we're just going to put it in the blender. And once you cook everything, you will mix everything in the blender with the coconut milk and blend it. Right now, first you have to cook, and this is the tomato sauce. So you use half a can of tomato sauce. Of course, you can use 1 whole tomato, but make sure you seed it and peel the skin out. So it'll be a smooth, nice tomato. So tomato, also cut it and cook it with the zucchini. So you need to cook the zucchini up, and once the zucchini is cooked for like 20 minutes, then you add the garlic and cook that, and then you can cover it and let it cook for 10 more minutes. So it's just all together. I'm going to add the garlic and cook it for a while, saute it, and then add all the other spices and the tomato, and then cover it and cook it until it's properly cooked, thoroughly cooked. Because the last step for blending. So we're just going to cook this, and this is so tasty. This concept tastes so awesome. And you can do with the chili pepper, red chili pepper, black pepper. So here I got the tomato sauce in and all the spices in, and now I'm just going to cover it and let it cook for about 10 minutes or so in low heat until soon as cooked, until it's really cooked. And here's the coconut milk, and now we need to add all this to the coconut milk and blend it to smooth creamy. So you get a regular coconut milk and then just add everything to. Some people use heavy cream, and I'm using coconut milk. Now I got a pan here to add the pasta and incorporate the pasta and the white sauce together. So just this is 16 ounce, 1 pack of pasta, boil and drain, and it's sitting there just getting cold. And I'm going to add the white sauce to it, and the last job is to mix them together nicely, and you have yourself a wonderful zucchini basil creamy white sauce pasta and that tastes so good, and you will remember the taste. So you can add more salt or less salt according to your taste. I have added to this one 1 teaspoon salt, and while boiling the pasta I had a little bit salt too. So this has become really creamy, and I added only half to the about 8 ounce tomato sauce. You can add 1 large tomato, and you can add more or less according to your requirement. So but this tastes really good. Now you can make it a little bit more spicy. Add some more red chili pepper, and when you blend it you can add a couple of green chili pepper. That's up to you, but this recipe which I made, it's my homemade recipe, is really very tasty. So this is it. I sprinkled the half a teaspoon of basil on top of it. You can give oregano too, and it tastes so good. So here it is. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. I will see you with many more. Thank you. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.